What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Too Slow Kurt. And today, man, it's going to be the first day of me actually cleaning up the Camaro. The Camaro is back, as you have seen from the last video or whenever I may upload this video. But we got the Camaro back, man, and it's been a year and a half since the car has been gone, man. And it's just, man, she missed me, man. She missed me a lot. She's so dirty. She's filthy, man. Look at her. It's gonna be the first day of me. Let me get the keys. Where are the keys at, man? Where are the keys at? But it's gonna be the first day of me cleaning her. You can see she's filthy, man. She has leaves all over her, man. And oh damn, I just door dinged my goddamn vet, man. But she's filthy, guys. Look at her. Oh, she needs my help, guys. Yep, the back. We are gonna be restoring her, man. She needs some love. Yeah, she needs a lot of love, man. But we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna go get some gas in the vet, and then we're gonna go from there. Sheesh. Let's get it. Just cruising, man. Gotta go to Sam's Club to get some gas real quick. People over here, they can't drive, bro. Give you boys a little action. Hold up. Alright, guys, so I spray some, inside cleaner spray all on the dash on this side, because I'm like literally sitting on the center console right now. Just cleaning the wind, man. Oh boy, she's so dirty, man. But it's all good though, because we're gonna get it right. You feel me? That's all this is about, getting her back to life, baby. Look at the difference. You got this. Boom. Well, you can just see it as it comes across. Boom. Boom. Yeah, we're gonna get you right, baby. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Spray some more of this on there. Yes, sir. Look at that radio. Clean. We're gonna clean you up. Look at that mask. Yeah, I know this car been sitting for a minute because they got a mask in it, man. Come on now. Oh, behind the wheel. We behind the wheel right now, man. Like, we about to drive this bad boy. Does the horn work? Oh, shit. Oh, the horn still works, man. It feels good, though. It feels good. We just got to clean her up, like I said, man. And we're going to get her back right. And we're going to start painting her. I want to do the exterior. Well, I don't know. I don't know how this build is going to go, guys. I don't know if I'm going to start from the exterior and like the interior and then start working on the engine shit. Not like, don't get me wrong, the car is down right now. But I'm saying like as far as upgrading the engine. Because I'm going to fix the engine and then I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to sell it. And then I'm going to start, getting the new engine in and the chassis, all the stuff, right? But what I'm saying is, I don't know if I want to go from fixing this engine and rebuilding the engine and the new engine and all the other parts to come with the performance stuff first, or if I want to do the exterior first, make it look nice, pretty, with the fixed engine, and then, when it's already done, the looks-wise, then throw the new engine in it. The process is going to take a little while, though, Regardless of what I do, it's going to take a little while. The goal right now is just to get her running again and just drive her around for a little while, That's the goal, man. Also, guys, if y'all have any engines for sale or recommendations as far as what I should do to this Camaro. Let me know y'all thoughts, man. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Let me know what y'all think the best build would be for this car as far as performance. I want to take everything out of it, and I want to make it a track car. I want to make it a race car, and that's the goal, man. I'm 22 years old, just turned 22, so I had a lot of dreams growing up. You know, I had a lot of dreams, and I'm finally accomplishing these dreams at such a young age. And I'm just blessed with the opportunity to be able to be doing this right now, man. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, so I got her looking real clean on the inside. I might just honestly have somebody come detail the vet and the Camaro, see if I can get like some kind of deal. But like I said, I got her looking clean, minus like the leaves and stuff on the seats and on the floor. I got like the dash and everything pretty clean. Let me show you guys. Put that in one. So it's looking pretty clean. I gotta clean this door off right here because this door is still dirty and nasty. Gotta clean this door off, but like I said, I'm gonna clean it up pretty good, and then I'm gonna have probably somebody come detail it sooner or later. You know, get it real nice and clean. She needed some love bad, man, real bad. Oof, she is nasty, boys. Real nasty. I had to spray her up. Sheesh. Poor baby, man. Poor baby. It's all good. We're going to get you right. Hey, guys. So, I got the back seats back up and everything. As you can see, she's looking real good, man. She's looking nice. Yes, sir. Like I said, I'm going to get her in detail, but for right now, she looking real smooth, man. What y'all think? Y'all think I did a pretty good job? I didn't vacuum or nothing either. I just literally sprayed everything in here and wiped it down and stuff like that. Gotta still get a few more stuff out, like this stuff right here. Throw that out of there. Throw that out. But yeah, she's basically good to go, man. A couple more little things to her, and we're gonna take this seat out right here. I'm gonna take this seat out, and then I'm gonna vacuum it and stuff like that. You know, we just try to get it as clean as possible because this seat is really wet. Because look, if you see right here, the window motor is messed up on this side, so the window is not going up or down right now. And then when it rains, rain is getting inside and it's just wetting the seat, and it's actually wetting everything right there as well. So I gotta do something about that. Little quick fix for the moment. I'm gonna bag this up right here, and I'm gonna take this seat out, and yeah, go from there. All right, boys, so this is the final look of the car for the time being. I got it all cleaned out. I'm actually headed to Miami and Michigan tomorrow, so for a few days, this is what she's gonna look like, boys. She looks pretty good right now. I didn't vacuum her or nothing. Just cleaned her up real nice. I tried to take the seats out, but man, the bolts were not coming out. So it is what it is. We just gonna pack everything up for the night. A W day. Cleaned her up. See you boys in the morning. I guess I'm recording, you know, me going to Miami and stuff like that. I might just get a little bit of a vlog in, man, just to throw it in this video. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all for continuing to support your boy. Well, I'll see y'all in the morning. Top of the morning, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Top of the morning, man. We are about to get ready to go to Starbucks, and then we're gonna be off to the airport to go to Miami, man, and then go from there. Let me give you boys a cold start real quick, man. Real quick cold start on the vet, man. I was in the car last night, so I don't think it was a cold start. But yeah, man, so today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a vlog style. I typically don't do stuff like this. I am still a little sick too, by the way. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a vlog style. I'm gonna show you guys me going to Starbucks on some chill shit, and then me going to the airport, just chilling, man. I'm vibing, man. So, you know, if y'all fuck with me, man, stay tuned, keep watching, man. You know, I'm just adding a little bit more time to the video, man. Show y'all a little bit of my lifestyle, man. But yeah, I'm gonna put the tarp on the car right now, on the Camaro. Hopefully it stays up, because like I said, this window is still down. I never put it back up because, you know, like I said, it's having issues. So let's put the tarp on the car, and then we're off to Starbucks. So I got the tarp on there, and like I said, hopefully it stays on pretty good. It flew off yesterday. I don't know if somebody hating and they took it off because it was on there one day, then the next day it wasn't. So hopefully it stays on there. I'm gonna have somebody to be checking on the tarp, make sure it's still on. The car is secure now. It's not gonna rain, but I don't want nobody trying to get in there or even like dust and shit since I cleaned it out. I don't want dirt and shit getting back inside. So we got the tarp on there and it looks good. But off to Starbucks, man. Yes, sir, man. Got the Starbucks. It's gonna be a beautiful day, man. It's gonna be a beautiful day, I can say that, man. The sun is out. I feel blessed. I hope everybody's having a blessed day, man. You know, God is good all the time, man. Even whenever bad things are happening, man. But like I said, it's a beautiful day, man. Just happy to be alive. But we are on the way to the airport now. And hopefully I get there safe and sound, man. Hopefully I get there safe and sound. Fellas, so we've made it to the airport, as you can see. Got that vet ski right here, man. We're gonna put the mirrors in so nobody can hit the damn mirrors and break them while I'm gone. But yeah, man, we here. Life goes on. Man, the vet is dirty as hell, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it, but bro, she is really dirty. But man, I got this ticket because I had missed my flight yesterday, so I had to pay for another one. If I lose this, I'm gonna be sad like the damn kid from fucking Polar Express. I'm gonna be feeling like his ass when he lost his golden ticket, running across the train trying to find the damn golden ticket. But let's go get this goddamn flight before I miss it again. I just got done running through the whole airport because they moved the flights. I just got done running through the whole airport, bro. This shit is hectic, bro. I'm tired as fuck, bro. We about to get on the flight right now, so stay tuned, man. Just me waiting patiently with my little bag, bro. Ain't my little bag, bro. I ain't gonna lie though, bro. I got that shit on, man. I got that shit on. Little fit check. I got me a little light fit, you know, some light for the day. But as soon as we get to Miami, it's up, bro. So we just waiting. I'm running with the iPad in my hand, bro. I'm running with my car keys, bro. I see the vet, man. The vet car keys, man. Got the Camaro car keys, man. All of them. We running through the airport, shit falling out, bro. Shit crazy, bro. Ain't no way I should be. I was sweating bricks. I had the sweater on. I was sweating bricks by the time I got over here, bro. And as well, this is a solo trip, so I'm solo by myself right now, bro. Second time on a flight. Y'all know I don't really be on flights like that, bro. I just drive everywhere, so second time on the trip, on a flight, solo. Missed my flight yesterday. Had to pay a $99 rebooking fee, but we're here now, so that's all that matters. Thought I was gonna miss today too. If I would have missed today, I wasn't even gonna go no more. I ain't gonna lie. I was not gonna go. I was gonna say fuck it. It is what it is. I've been dropping videos every other day, it seems like. I gotta keep the content coming out for you boys, man. It's like, I told y'all earlier, this is like my first time like vlogging as far as going places. Cause y'all know I only vlog car stuff, but people who really rock with me, they just gonna keep watching, you know. They just gonna continue watching the video, and I might get some different subscribers, different viewers of vlogging different stuff, you know. And get like a whole mixture of different type of people who watch my videos. So everybody who come watch me probably ain't just gonna be watching because of the cars, but they want to watch because of my life too, you know. It's just like that. We are on the flight, as you can see. Alright, man. So I'm gonna start editing this video. Yeah. Start editing this video, and then I guess I'll see y'all when I get to my edit. 4-hour layover, so I'm literally trying to find shit to do because I ain't got shit to do. Just me, my thoughts, my iPad. I'm gonna be editing. Probably gonna re-upload the last video, the mystery car, because for some reason it cut out like I guess a few minutes short. I don't remember how long the video was, but it cut out a few minutes short. Like, I don't know, maybe 4 minutes. That's a big 4 minutes, man. So it sucks that I gotta re-upload it because 100 people already watched it. I'm gonna be gone for a few days, so I'm not gonna be able to upload that video, you know, like ASAP. The video's on the computer at the house, and I gotta wait till I get back to the house. When I get back to the house, and I'll upload a video for you guys. And hopefully it go crazy that time. I don't think I've ever been this bored, like, at all. So I need to find something to do, bro. Ain't no restaurants in this bitch, so I can't find shit to eat. I'm gonna be playing with the dog. Damn dog. Man, I don't know what the fuck to say right now, bro. I'm so goddamn bored. I haven't been this bored in God knows when, bro. Alright guys, so we are leaving Miami now, finally, after several delays. We are finally getting out of here, and we are going to Michigan. So, see y'all in a bit. On the way to Michigan, man. Michigan, we have arrived. It's your boy, Too Slow Kirk, and I'm out.